Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Regarding this computer here, is a body control module for Nissan or Infinity. Okay, actually most of the time when they go bad is when water get into it, or sometime for some reason a failure happen in electronic, like jumping the car wrong or anything that you can create short. People who put remote starter aftermarket, they connect wire here and also can create short. The most important you need to do, if you can put a used one, you see this is a number, the 284B11C45 Charlie. This is a number that you're looking for. The one on the top, 08761, that could be the BCM number. If your machine is not able to calculate the pin code automatically, you're going to put this number into the calculator and it will give you an output number. And then you're going to put that number in and you do it. If you buy a used one from eBay, I'm talking about from 2007, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, some 14. After that, or maybe on 15 or 16, some car you cannot put a used BCM in a car. If you have that problem, like, and you must, you need it, get this one here and the key and the engine computer together, your car will start in a whole set. If it's 16, 17, 18, some cars. But if the car is older, you just have to plug it. If you plug it, hazard will work. Sometimes door lock, unlock manually work, light working, but ignition will not come on. So you need to put your scanner, you go to immobilizer, you choose the car, year, model. You're gonna read this BCM, it will read it. As soon as you read it, if you have hotel, it will do everything automatically. You're gonna go to all kilos or replace PCM. I prefer to do all kilos or replace PCM. It may be the same. And then it will tell you to wait, push the button, stay till the light come on, take it out, put it in. You just have to follow the steps on it. As soon as you finish, your car will start. Your car will start and you have no problem. This is when you have specifically this problem. Some of them, they only come BCM. Some of them, they come steering lock module on the bottom of the car. Be sure that the steering lock module is good, because the steering lock, if it's not good, this one will not send signal out to turn the ignition. Hotel do it a lot of time and they do it very good. Other tools also, they can do it, but just do your research. If you put a new one, you must program it and configure it and tell this BCM if the car is a stick shift or automatic. Also, if you can read the VIN number of this BCM, be sure that if it's coming from stick shift car or automatic car, that also have a role, because you have to tell the BCM the car is a stick shift, the configuration. Other than that, you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. Thank you.